Performance reviews shape team growth and keep feedback consistent. When you pair them with goals, you give your team concrete milestones to measure success. In this video, we'll show you how to create and track goals in Workforce, view them as an admin in QuickBooks, and build a review template from the library. To get started, sign into Workforce and go to Performance. Select the Goals tab, then select Add Goal. Enter a title, description, and due date for the goal. The SMART framework fields and milestones below are optional, but they help turn the goal into something measurable. Fill in specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to add structure. Define milestones to track progress. Enter a name and choose a metric type for each milestone. Add as many milestones as the goal needs, then select Create. From the confirmation window, select Create another goal or View Goals. Open the goal from the Goals tab to view or log progress. Update milestones as the work gets done, and the status bar adjusts automatically. Select the History and Comments tab to add notes or review updates. Switch to QuickBooks to view goals as an admin. From All Apps, select Team, then Performance. Open the Goals tab to review assignees, statuses, and progress. Add a comment to share feedback directly on a goal. To build the review, open the Templates tab in Performance and select Add Template. Choose to create a brand new performance review or select from a library of pre-made templates. In this case, we'll select Choose from Library, then select Quick Start Review. Find the new template in the Templates list and select Finish Setup. On the Setup tab, rename the review and update the description as needed. In the Schedule section, you have the option to select Add Schedule to automate when reviews start. If you're not ready to automate, you can skip this for now. If you do add a schedule, choose your employees and set the cadence, then select Save and Continue. On the Steps tab, you'll see the Employee Self-Review. You can mark fields as required or update the instructions. On the Details tab, go to Apps, then Goals. This is also optional. It lets you pull existing goals into the review or ask employees to create new ones. Select the Dates tab. Here, you have the option to set a start and due date for the task. If you don't need a deadline, you can leave these off. Repeat these steps for the admin review to set your own requirements and apply the same customizations, like mark required fields and set an optional due date on the Dates tab. When you're satisfied with the steps, select Save and Continue. The Data Sources tab shows every field used in the review. Select Save and continue to move to the Review tab, which summarizes the basic info, permissions, and steps. Select Save and Publish to finalize the template. The template is ready. Select View All Templates to return to the Templates list, or start this performance review to launch the review for a team member right away. To track a review in progress, open the Activity tab in Performance. Hover over the progress bar to see the assignee and task status for each step. From the employee side in Workforce, the review shows up in the Task Manager. Open the review request to see the task, complete the required fields, and create any new goals the review calls for. Mark the task complete when finished. Now you're ready to set up performance reviews in QuickBooks.